yellow one, yellow origami. How about you? Green, pink, white, gold, silver, any color is okay. Every time, any color is okay. So today, I use a piece of yellow paper. Today, only one piece of paper. Okay. First, make a triangle. Okay. First, make a triangle. Next, so this point, and then match. Okay. Please do the one more triangle, smaller one, and then so open the triangle. We have some lines, 1, 2 line. Okay, so this point go to the center. The line is close here, so this point, top of the triangle go to the center of this paper. Okay, go ahead. So please like the same things like here, and then here. Okay, go ahead. Okay, please do it. We need a background music, right? Yeah. We need a background music. What music do you like? What music do you like? Okay, so this way. Are you finished? So next, open. Okay, and this time, so we have a line here. So this this triangle, the point goes to this line. Okay, please do it. And the other 3 parts of the points, 3 points, go to the same. Okay, please fold the paper. What this one today? Okay, and the next, okay, your origami is the same as me. Okay, next, here, this line, go to this line. Like, just a moment, please. Okay, this line go to this line. So, we fold like this. Okay, this. Okay, please do the same things. 2, 3. Here. Okay, go. Do you know this one? Yes. Next, we need we have a line here, so fold like this. Okay, same. Okay, try. Okay? Yeah, okay. So turn it over, and so the point, yeah, go to the center, okay? Okay, do the other side, the same things, like this. Yes, next time I will, use music. Okay, so this one, this is finished, so please turn it over. What's this? What's this? It's a, yes, picture frame. It's a picture frame. For example, this is a picture. Yep. So please put this frame like this. Okay. So like this. Today it's a picture frame. So your picture is okay. Picture means a or 写真. Both are okay. So this is a picture frame. Okay. Okay. Are you enjoying? Okay. So today that's all. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.